Should sake be served cold or warm? The surprising answer is both. Unlike many other alcoholic drinks, sake can be enjoyed at a wide range of temperatures. Temperature is one of the unique features that makes sake such a versatile drink. In this video, we'll explore how temperature affects sake and how to enjoy sake at different temperatures.
Temperature has a significant impact on how we perceive the flavor of sake. At lower temperatures, aromas tend to feel more delicate and refreshing. The texture can seem cleaner, and the overall impression may feel sharper. As the temperature rises, the character of the sake begins to change. The texture often becomes softer and fuller, and the flavors may feel rounder. Warmer temperatures can also make sweetness and umami more noticeable, which can change the overall balance of the sake. Sake is quite unique in this respect. While wine is typically enjoyed within a relatively narrow temperature range, sake can be enjoyed across a much wider spectrum, from well-chilled to gently warmed, and even quite warm. This wide temperature range is one of the distinctive features of sake culture.
Sake culture even has specific words for different serving temperatures. In general, sake can be enjoyed in three main temperature ranges: chilled, room temperature, and warm. Chilled sake is known as reishu, room temperature sake is called hiya, and warm sake is referred to as kon. In Japan, there are even more detailed names for different warming levels. But for now, it's enough to remember these three basic temperature ranges.
As we've seen, sake can be enjoyed at different temperatures. The same bottle of sake can taste completely different depending on the temperature. When sake is served chilled, it often feels cleaner and more refreshing. Delicate aromas can become more noticeable. At room temperature, the balance of aroma, sweetness, and umami is often easier to appreciate. When sake is gently warmed, the texture can become softer and fuller, and umami may feel richer and more pronounced. Temperature can also influence food pairings. Chilled sake often pairs well with dishes like sashimi and other light appetizers. Room temperature sake is very versatile and can work with many kinds of food. Warm sake tends to pair nicely with richer dishes or hot meals. Simply changing the temperature can reveal different ways to enjoy the same sake.
If you'd like to try warm sake, the traditional method is to heat it gently in hot water. Pour the sake into a cup or small container, and place it in a bowl of hot water. This method warms the sake slowly and evenly. If you prefer a quicker method, you can also warm sake briefly in a microwave. Avoid heating sake directly over a flame, and don't let it boil. Gentle warming is the key.
There isn't just one correct temperature for sake. Different temperatures can bring out different qualities in the same sake. By simply changing the temperature, you can discover new ways to enjoy the same bottle. Exploring temperature is one of the most enjoyable parts of sake culture.